Hey guys, back at it again. About to put some Gktech rack spacers in my car, the straight ones, because they're better. That's today's mission with Big Red. Yeah, boy. Big Red, big head. Yeah, buddy. Alright, we're about to swap this rack spacers out. I was running offset rack spacers, but I don't know why they don't make the screw longer, but it obviously ripped out my rack. So I did rack relocation, cut my subframe, all that good stuff, and about to put these straight spacers in that have way more thread and are nicer. Let's get to it, guys. So I'm using the Gktech Roll Center correction kit, S14 lower control arms. So since I ripped the offset rack spacers out, you can see here barely, but I did cut the subframe and shorten it, and the car works a lot better, but I'm not running spacers, so it's not to its full potential. So we're gonna go ahead and put those in today and then go test her out. Listen, if y'all don't got electric Milwaukee Impact in your life, I don't know what you're doing with your life. Alright, so we're going to go ahead, pull the tie rods out, put these rack spacers in. Also, going to upgrade to my Megan tie rods, so it's coming soon. And these go on pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory. Mine came with the little washers in the center. I'm gonna run those as well. About to have that maximum angle now, boy. It's gonna be looking like that. No, gang gang.
I can put that on my GS, right?
So, got it all in.
It's fucking gangster battery though.
Got to do it around it with some boards and some measuring tape. Old school. But that's how I get it done. About to hit your head on the intercooler. Got it. Straight boss saucing. That looks so good. On some federal rolls. Yeah. We about to do this old school, you know, sour line on. You know, the line needs to get expensive sometimes. Bust it out, dog. You good? Yeah. Turn up, dog. I'm gonna blame you for life.
I'm right on the wheel.
All of it. Alright. Why the board moving so much though? Are you on?
I'm on.
You're holding good.
Holding good.
Alright, about 78 and a quarter. Alright, let's do the rear. Alright, we're about 76 and 3/4.
Like that.
Yeah. So toe in, I gotta push it out. Okay.
You need to go like, technically, you need to go 18 turns on each side.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We gotta go 12. Because it went
12 is only half, so you're going 77 and a half. Alright. I'm just telling you the truth.
2, 3, 4.
Smash, what did I just say it was going to be?
Alright, so almost 77 and a half. Let's check the rear. A little over 77 and a half, so it's towed in just a hair, but I'm gonna send it. Yeah, no? Let's get it, dog.